Welcome to G-Drive. In today's marketplace, to have competitive advantage, utilise technology, which was once out of reach for most businesses, is now available. G-Drive was designed to help businesses of all sizes and locations to utilise their assets, improve productivity and customer service. I want to take you on a journey and show you how we can impact your business. Why you should use G-Drive. Our service can only be as good as its provider. So G-Drive's teamed up with Telstra to access the best coverage for you with Australia's largest 3G network, NextG, which services 99% of the population. Occupational health and safety. The most important part of your business are your employees. To protect them, G-Drive has created a portable man-down function which activates in an emergency to protect workers working alone. The comfort of knowing that your workforce is protected in the case of an emergency due to the man-down function that can be activated to send a distress signal to emergency services will save lives, and this can happen anywhere in Australia, whether it's in regional or remote areas. Our highly trained installers will come to you and install the units and systems, and then our highly trained software specialists will come and train you and offer an ongoing service. Whether you're a small business or a large organisation, G-Drive will fit into your business and impact your bottom line. Protecting our ecosystem is very important, and here at G-Drive we are reducing businesses' carbon footprint by saving on fuel and utilising your resources to reduce waste time and unneeded mileage. The list goes on and on. Fringe benefits tax is one of the top benefits.
But for those guys who are running high kilometre vehicles, the effect to them could be a tripling of their tax burden. Technology will allow them to mitigate this burden by electing to choose to pay their tax on an operating methodology as opposed to the statutory methodology, which is the flat 20%. Now, unfortunately, there is a burden on the business in form of admin in checking the business mileage undertaken by the vehicles, and you don't want to save tax but increase your admin costs. What you'd like to do is have a quick, convenient electronic method of capturing your business mileage, and that's where the technology comes in.
With our management reports and our data that can be used to analyse asset utilisation and employee productivity, which in turn will save you money and time. Improved customer service and less worries. For example, if you have a mobile workforce, you can communicate with your staff and your drivers without the need for phones. You can then proceed to dispatch the closest driver, which you save on fuel costs and enhance your time management. This means you will be increasing your productivity, which will be providing a superior level of service for your customers, which means more revenue for your business.